this eggplant looks like. Cut into rolling cuts like this. Seasonal panic starts when buying groceries. Today is cloudy and drizzling. Today, ginger is for yuan. This kind of very fresh ginger with the soil still attached costs. Buy it as a whole piece. Don't break it apart, it'll easily break. And buy this yellow one. Don't buy this one, it's a bit dark. This piece of garlic is almost gone. It costs 6 yuan to buy this. To be more precise, don't buy the whole thing. Cracked ones are more likely to be severely dehydrated. The purple one smells a bit better. That's enough. He's preparing bunches of scallions for people like this, which costs 3 yuan. Good. It's quite convenient. Red dates are 7 yuan a pound. Green bell peppers are easier to cut, especially those that are quite green. Choose green ones, not the dry kind. Don't choose the wrinkled kind or the freshly poured kind that costs 3.5 yuans per pound. 2 yuan eggplants, look how big they are. Larger ones are generally older. Okay, buy this thin one. The 2 small ones I ordered were enough for a plate. These bitter melons cost 2 yuan a pound, and this whole bunch is very fresh. This? That's enough of the creeping spinach that costs 5.2 yuans per jin. Give them a few heads. Generally, it is quite crisp and refreshing. Sweet, it's 11.5 yuan a pound for the upper bone meat. Is that still? It's quite delicate and would be good for making soup. Your knife skills are excellent. Could you please cut it into smaller pieces? Thank you. Top quality, 12 yuans per jin. The meat looks beautiful. They may look similar, but there are actually differences. This kind. To select. Choose the color from beginning to end. This one is good because it's coordinated. We'll get a ribbon fish that's 17.5 yuans a pound. It's white and undamaged. This kind of fresher ones like these, with a dull brownish color, are probably a bit old. The assembly was completed in less than half an hour. I'm going to buy groceries, so of course I'll pay for parking. Look how dry it is. These ingredients cost a total of 67. If we come back, these vegetables. Let's process it first because we'll be soaking it in water later to make it even cleaner. There's something on the vegetable leaves. Mud. You have to give it piece by piece. Rinse clean. After washing, add plenty of salt and soak for 15 minutes to process the greens. This method will be cleaner. If there's dirt, you should cut it and put it inside the bag. From 19 o'clock to 19 o'clock, I've been enjoying delicious food, and now I'm sharing 4 dishes. The soup, which costs over 100 yuans, I don't know what it is or what it's for, but the stir-fried rice cakes here are pretty good. If we don't take action, on the surface, he doesn't even know how powerful he is, using ginger and so on. Cooking isn't actually that hard. Wash all of them otherwise. Wash only what you need and pat a small piece like this. It's very easy for it to rot. Wash the vegetarian food first, then wash the meat. That way they won't get mixed up. Get these bone fragments and give them to me. It rinses off the skin, then uses scissors to cut the fish skin off in the reverse direction. Once you've got this fin, cut it off with scissors from this spot. Also cut. Then, with a few quick snaps, you pull it out. You can even take this part out. Soak the greens and then take it out first. Come on, before you start chopping vegetables cleanly, let's sharpen our knives first. Sharpening the knife won't hinder your chopping. Chai gong, what a great knife! It makes cutting vegetables so easy. Just a couple of cuts and you're done. Cut it like this. Twice the result with half the effort. Wow, this eggplant is so tender, no need to peel it. Just treat the head with skin. Remember, as long as the eggplant is cooked fresh, it won't oxidize easily. This turns white when cut. The color was light and tender. I didn't see any purple. It was very fresh. Tender. Freshly cut and cooked food is less prone to oxidation. If it's been stored for a longer period, you can soak it. I scraped off the head and tail of the water. What exactly is going on? You're so handsome, dashing, intelligent, beautiful, elegant, and you're still recognizing. Look closely, cut a small piece and take a picture. Are these chilies for stewing soup, or are they for stir-frying meat? Delicious and enjoyable like this, slice it open with a flat knife and then cut. This section. Red chili peppers are a bit pricey, but they make the dish look better when used to add color. Have. The leftover chopped eggplant is used to make this braised eggplant dish. Adding some scallions to stir fries makes them so easy to season. I don't know how you usually peel garlic. I usually peel it like this first. Peel it open and then pat it. That's easy to do. Take a look at this garlic peel. This? That way it's clean. Add some garlic flavor to stir fries. Adding ginger to stir fries makes them less flavorful because it helps to remove the fishy smell. Add flavor. Make some shallow cuts along the edges to help it absorb the flavor better, then cut it into chunks like this. Discard the head because the fish's eyes will be affected when frying. It's very easy for ribbon fish to splatter oil. Sprinkle salt on the skin and marinate it. First, remove the skin from this pork belly. This leather is quite difficult to obtain. The rule of omitting the stir-fry until cooked part from a normal plate of vegetables is enough. We'll save the strips for next time and then slice them into thin slices like this. Like this. Slice it thinly and reserve a few slices to mince for cooking with the eggplant. If you can't finish cooking it, put it in the refrigerator first. You need to know how to keep this thing. You need to scrape the cutting board to prevent it from getting moldy. Cutting board also. It needs to be scrubbed and washed. Oh, after washing, shouldn't you lay it flat? You need to stand it up to let it air out and prevent mold. Stir-fried pork with chili peppers, with bitter melon and bone broth as side ingredients. Stir-fried green. Vegetable. Braised eggplant. Fresh bones don't need to be blanched, making them sweeter. Add bitter melon and large chunks of ginger, then fill the container with water to 9/10 full. Adding 2 teaspoons of salt beforehand will make it sweeter and more flavorful. Simmer over medium heat for 45 minutes. Bell. If you really can't wait, use this pressure cooker. It's faster and more suitable. In line with the current pace of life, Saik's mid-range fire is 15. Just a minute ago, I suddenly discovered an even tastier way to cook this rice. Chop some ginger, put ginger and scallion leaves in a clay pot, then add oil, and then... This ribbon fish is just the right size for one pot, isn't it? More or less. Bake over medium heat for 15 minutes with the lid on. 1 soup and 1 casserole dish. Next, heat oil in a wok until it reaches 60% of its maximum temperature, then fry the eggplant until it crackles. High oil temperature quickly. It'll only be fragrant if it's fried until it's fully cooked. I fried it to 3/10 done. Ah, this meat is slightly yellow. You can take it out and drain the oil, leaving some oil in the pan. Sauté. Stir-fry the minced meat in a pan until fragrant, then add lard. It only smells good when it comes out. Add scallions, ginger, and garlic to the pot and let them soak. Add a spoonful of fermented bean paste, dried oyster sauce, and chili oil. Add eggplant and a little water. Doubanjiang fermented broad bean paste is very salty. Just add a little bit of dark soy sauce to the Gillen sauce beforehand to give it color, and that's it. Heat the fire for 3 minutes, then sprinkle with chopped green onions. Minced red pepper. It's even better with a little broth. This is perfect for eating with rice. It's so easy to cook and plate this minced meat and eggplant stew. Simple and delicious with rice. This time, the ribbon fish is done without adding a drop of water. It's actually just the scallions and ribbon fish themselves. If you feel the body's moisture is too bland, you can add some. Steamed fish is more flavorful and sweeter when it's moist and oily. Is it really that simple to just sprinkle chopped green onions and red chili peppers on raw fish? The ribbon fish is delicious, needless to say. Leave some oil in the pan, then stir-fry the pork belly until fragrant. After rendering the lard, pour out any excess scallions and ginger. After stir-frying the garlic and fermented black beans with other ingredients until fragrant, add the fermented bean paste and continue to stir-fry until the chili oil is released. Come out. Add green and red peppers to the pan, season with light soy sauce, add dark soy sauce for color, and a touch of MSG to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry quickly over high heat until cooked and fragrant. It's done cooking and plated. Stir-fried pork with chili peppers is a delicious treat, especially when served with leafy greens. Soak it a little in water, then sprinkle the salt on top and wait a moment. It's easy to spill when stir-frying. Saute until fragrant, then don't skimp on the oil. Add the garlic and stir-fry until fragrant, then add it to the pan. At this point, turn up the heat and stir-fry quickly for a nice color. Mouth. It's so crisp and delicious. It was cooked in just 1 minute over high heat. This isn't a restaurant chef's cooking. It won't produce water, but they have this step. Stir-fried spinach with garlic after filtering out excess water is a dish loved by everyone. The soup was ready just as the dish was finished. Bitter melon and bone soup is simple. You've got everything done? Don't worry about how much this dish would cost outside. What to eat? 4 dishes and a soup, it's not complicated.